Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got a brand new release from TressAllure. This is Spectacular Shag in the color 747T. I purchased Spectacular Shag at Wig Studio One, where this month there is a 30% discount that is automatically applied at checkout. I'll leave the link to Spectacular Shag to Wig Studio One listed down below for you in the description box. I am so excited about this stuff. I love TressAllure. I love their fibers. These fibers are the stylable, effortless fibers, which is an indication that they have the density, the look, and the feel like human hair. In the case of Spectacular Shag, we do have heat-friendly fibers that you can style with a curling iron or with a flat iron up to 350 degrees. We'll take a look at the cap first. On Spectacular Shag, we have a full mono top and we have a lace front that is temple to temple. Have felt covered ear tabs, an extended nape and Velcro adjusters, and a nice stretch to the cap. On the TressAllure website, they indicate that it's an average fit 21.5-inch circumference. I have a 21.5-inch circumference, and I always have to cinch in all of my TressAllures. Therefore, my opinion is that it will fit a 22-inch circumference. Definitely a shaggy style, but we do have heat-friendly fibers up to the 350 degrees. If you do not care for the shag look, you can certainly curl it, or you can flat iron it. My color 747T is described as a dark brown medium red. Definitely a warm color. However, and I definitely see that blend of the dark brown and the auburn as the medium red. However, TressAllure uses between 7 to 11 different colors to create each of their colors, but they don't specify what colors are in there. They just give us the main colors, and in this case we have that dark brown and that medium red. Right, I'm going to give it a shake, and I am going to cinch it in a little bit to accommodate my 21.5-inch circumference. I do want to mention that I understand that not everyone loves these shaggy styles. However, there are many wearers out there that do love the shag style, and I like to review as many different styles, as many different colors as I can, because not every wig and not every style is one that is going to look good on me, or it's not one that everyone is going to like. We all have our own preferences. So this is for those of you that love a shaggy style. With Spectacular Shag, we have no Permatease at all. However, what we do have is we do have low density, and I like that. We also have double knotted roots in order to give it that lift. So we don't have any Permatease, but we have that double knotting in order to provide that lift, if that is something that you like. If it's something that you don't care for, it's very easy to flatten out. I do like the fact that there is no Permatease, but rather that double knotting in order to give it the lift, because you're not going to have any of that pillowy Permatease, but you can part it in any direction that you want and have the illusion of scalp. If you wanted to add some bangs, you can do that very, very easily. The lace front is very narrow, as you can see. Very narrow lace front. And we have some of the lighter fibers in the medium red along the front. Not an awful lot, and we don't have a band. Great coverage on Spectacular Shag. Here is the ear tab and just a little bit of my hairline showing. If you want to tuck it, this reminds me of something I may have worn, I don't know, in the 80s, I guess. Nice low density for sure. Spectacular shag weighs 4.16 ounces, but I feel it to be very light. Lots of layers here. So if you want to wear it tucked and wear it with a headband, I love this color. It is absolutely beautiful. Really, really pretty style. Well, I think it's really pretty. If you don't like a shag, you're not going to like it, and that's okay. Very light density at the, I feel the ponytail being very, very thin. All right, so who is this style for? I think this style is obviously for someone who absolutely loves the shag look. I think that if you love that realistic feel of the fibers that feel like human hair, you will love this one as well. If you like a little bit of volume without having the Permatease, you will certainly love this style. And if you like to have a style where you have the versatility of being able to curl or being able to straighten, you can certainly do that with this style and you will love it. If you are not a fan of the shaggy style with all of these layers, you probably won't like it. But I think it's really pretty and I think it's perfect for anyone that loves the layers. The front on Spectacular Shag is 5.5 to 7.5 inches. That is their description. However, I am seeing some layers here that are very short. My face from hairline to chin is 7.75 inches. This is probably just about, I don't know, about 3 inches, 4 inches, if that. That's why it'd be very easy to do that bang if you wanted to do that. The crown is 7.5 to 9.5. So we have lots of layers here between 5.5 all the way to 9.5. Lots and lots of layers that give it this flippy look. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see 747T out in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. Please let me know what you think about Spectacular Shag. Do you love these layers, these flippy ends, or are you more of the, yeah, Marlene, that's not for me? And that's okay. We all have our preferences. I'm just here to show it to you. And if you don't like it, I just save you some money. All right. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.